Hey, my pawsome homies! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Pack your bags and zip up your imagination. Why? 'Cause today you will be building your very own adorable Gabby suitcase for your winter vacation. There are a ton of magical choices awaiting you, so let's kick off the wait and roll into business. Round 1. Build Dream Suitcase. Let's start with our dream suitcase. Which one are you choosing? How about a place to stay? Choose your vacation stop. Which sunglasses fit your style? Ow! All three planes are so adorable, but you only get to pick one. Pandy Paws and Gabby as flight attendants. Which one are you choosing for your own flight? I love Pandy, so I would go with her. How about you? Want to stay comfy? Choose your own neck pillow. Mercat, Gabby, and Baby Box headphones, but you only get to choose one. Here comes another one. Choose your sleep mask. Which handbags here suit your fashion? Take a good look at these pieces. Can you figure out how to fix the image, right? Did you get it right? Let's comment below and show us how you solved it. Let's choose a fancy villa for y'all. Ooh, relaxing time. Which villa pool do you want to have? Choose your mission. Pick your favorite inflatable boat. Time for a sparkle check. Which one will you pick for a water slide? Let's pick another suitcase for another vacation. Which phone case would you be proud to show off to others? A passport for traveling. What would you choose? Next round. Which Nintendo Switch feels better for your dream vacation? Pillow Cat, Cakey Cat, and Gabby as plushies. Which one are you choosing? Round 2. Choose your Gabby Dollhouse school supplies. Let's hit the first choice with these backpacks. Choose your one. Okay, time to pick those to put in your backpacks. Start with notebooks. I love that Pillow Cat one. What are you picking? Can you tell me? How about sketchbooks? Which one would you rather choose? Now turn to pens. Which pen would you add to your backpack? Here comes another one with pencils. Which Gabby Cat pencil are you picking up? Ow! This one is sparkling with magic. Which of these crayons are you choosing? That Gabby one is fire, am I right? Choose your task here. You can pick those in here or you can do your own unique things. I always appreciate y'all. Let's pick up some rulers for math class. What about binders? Let's pick one from these three. Which water parks would you rather head off to in your free time? DJ Catnip, Gabby, or the Cat's Rat one? Don't forget to tell us your comments. Oof! Look at those! Which set would you pick? Let's choose your lunchbox for lunch break. Which one fits your style? Kitty Fairy, Pandy Paws, and Pillow Cat, but all are plushies. Let's choose your one, shall we? spot the differences between these two pictures? Yeah, there we go. You're amazing as always. Okay now, all the cute Gabby pencil cases are here. Which one are you choosing? Gotta stay hydrated, right? Then it's time to choose a water bottle for you. Woohoo! Let's keep on going. Which sticker pack is yours? Which stapler designs are going into your backpack? Gabby mini fan coming right up. Let's pick your one. Which keychain are you adding to your bag? Round 2. Build your dream house. Let's choose a living room with these styles. Next up, which night lamp are you choosing? Next up, choose your jacuzzi. Choose your task. I appreciate your time here. What would you do now? The imagination doesn't stop. Let's choose your bunk bed this time. Choose your lounger. Would it be Carlita lounger, Pillow Cat lounger, or Cakey Cat lounger? Rate this song.
We got trouble on the...
How do you rate the APT song in the movies? Tell us. Which wardrobes here suit your style? Which treehouse fits your style? Choose your bedroom theme. Don't forget to send us all your answers below the comment, yeah! Which toilet here would be your pick? Which garden are you choosing here? All right, let's make it pop with these porches. Back to business. Time to choose your dream bathroom. Choose your picnic place with your either cakey cat or pillow cat. Choose your castle theme. Let's bring your dream vibe to life with these window views. Toilet roll holder is next. The choice is up to you to make. Choose the best water park in your opinion. Which study room would you use? Woohoo! You did it, Slicers! Your Dream Gabby's Dollhouse School Kit is complete, and I bet it's absolutely adorable. So tell us, what's your favorite item in today's video? The rainbow pen set? The DJ Catnip lunchbox? Whatever it is, I hope you still stay happy and bright every day because of us. See you around, Quiz Legends. Until next time.